What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some bird dogs, and you're saying, Black Owl, what the hell is a bird dog? Well, let's see if we can sniff out the scent and make it happen, baby. Smells like it's coming from her. Oh. Ooh. That's right, baby, the bird dog. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, bird dog, what are you talking about? Beethoven? Well, no. I'm talking about taking a chicken tender, putting it in a hot dog bun, and making a mean little chicken sandwich deal. So, first thing that you gotta do, of course, get you some chicken. Now, today, I'm using chicken tenders. That's so that they can fit in the hot dog bun, baby. Get in there and snuggle up like it's 99 type of bed. So, we are going to take our chicken, and I want you to get some flour, that white, that good old Tony Montana, and put it in a bowl and put your little chickens in there. Now, you know, you could do the egg wash. You're saying, like, what about that egg wash? What about a little milk, some buttermilk? Well, you could do that if you want, but you know me, baby. I get time for that shit. So, I just put it in some flour and kind of stirred it around with my hands. Then, go ahead and get you a skillet, put some oil in there, get it hot, baby, hot to trot, and drop your little chickies right in there and let them fry. Now, once you get them put in there, what we're going to add, baby? Salt and pepper. Just for flavor, that good stuff. So, go ahead and sprinkle some salt on there and some black pepper too. Then flip your chicken and do it the same way on the other side. Let it flip around like old Tony Hawk doing the trick. So, we're going to let our chicken fry. Once our chicken gets done, go ahead and cut you up some vegetables, Bugs Bunny's favorite. So, we are going to chop up some lettuce. Chop it up fine, just like me, baby. Oh, and then some red onion. You're saying, like, oh, that red onion, you must have been crying like the end of Homeward Bound. Well, I was, man. Oh, that dog. So, I got some red onion, chopped them up fine, too, because it's a little sandwich and you want it little for you. So, now, everything's ready to go. We got all our stuff, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, don't look like you got all your stuff. Where's your beer at today? Boy, a little too much last night, so... Woo! Gotta take a break today. Now, first thing that you want to do, get you a hot dog bun, baby. And today, I just got the old Great Value hot dog bun. Now, Black Owl, could you get the onion bun, something, you know, the everything bun or whatever the hell they got? Sure, you could, but me, I got time for that shit. So, take some lettuce and put it down at the bottom of your bun. Good stuff, baby. The Garden of Life. So, next thing that you want to do, grab you a tender little chicken and put that on there too. Perfectly, sir, perfectly. Now, we are going to go ahead and add some pickle. Just some old hamburger chips. I don't know why they call them hamburger chips. They don't really look like no Lay's, do they? So, go ahead and take some pickle. I'm just going to use 2 today. Put them right there on the side for the sweet. So, put that up there. Next, how about some of that red onion, baby? Just to spice up our lives and make it exciting. Ooh, yes. Spilling them everywhere, but that's alright. Now, last, how about some sauce? Because the sauce is the boss. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what kind of sauce today? Well, this is chicken dipping sauce because I figured, you know, chicken dipping chicken sandwich. It'll work. So, let's take some sauce and just glide right along the top. You can use as much or as little as you want. Me, you know I like it sussy. So, let's go ahead and stand back and take a sight, and then we're going to come back and take a big old beautiful bite tonight of this bird dog, baby. Oh! Alright, baby, the time has come. The big bad bird dog is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, let's get right to it. Whoa! Avalanche. Boy, that's some good stuff. Make you wanna do the chicken strap. All those vegetables on there, and the perfectly fried chicken, better than the kernels. And the sauce too. That was a hell of a thing to do. So, I want to thank y'all for doing a hell of a thing and coming watching this episode of Cooking with Black Hall. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy them chicken dogs, the bird dog, and I'll flock with you later. So,